Wisconsin health officials now have permission to start testing for coronavirus.
Officials made the announcement today as 2 more people are being investigated in the state who may have the virus. News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstead joins us with information on what you should do if you are to develop any symptoms.
Health officials in the state of Wisconsin are advising people who have traveled abroad in the last 2 weeks or have symptoms of the novel coronavirus to simply stay home. If people with the virus wander into emergency rooms, more people could be exposed to this disease.
Today we're announcing that testing for COVID-19 is now being conducted in Wisconsin.
Officials announced that state health officials will now be able to test for the coronavirus. Testing will take place at UW-Madison and the Milwaukee Department of Health. Before the change, test samples had to be sent to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta, Georgia.
Together, the availability of testing at both the state lab and the Milwaukee City lab will mean faster results and increased capacity for testing in Wisconsin.
Officials have already sent test samples for 18 people, with only 1 confirmed case in the state. The state is still waiting on 2 more potential cases. However, the 1 confirmed patient is doing okay, according to state officials.
The 1 confirmed patient that we have been following for a number of weeks has been released from isolation and is doing well, and tests have come back negative. And so we have been able to resolve that first case.
People eligible for testing include those with symptoms. That includes a fever, cough, shortness of breath, and people who have traveled to areas where the infection is active within 14 days of when symptoms began, or having contact with a confirmed case.
Have as limited amount of public interaction as we possibly can.
They say people who experience symptoms are asked to contact their local health department. They don't want people walking into medical centers and possibly exposing more people to the virus. It is also not something local communities need to panic over.
We want to continue to stress that the risk to the public remains low in Wisconsin.
Now, Americans right now are at greater risk for the flu than the coronavirus. There are 32 million flu illnesses and 18,000 deaths this season alone, according to the CDC. Now, the reason health officials are so concerned about the coronavirus is because it's not fully understood by health experts.
Thanks a lot, Jordan. And